Good morning, y'all. I know it's been some time, but good morning. Happy Sunday. Today's October 25th, and it's a busy day so far. I'm going to be wearing a wig for the first time today. I'm actually modeling a wig for my friend who's dropping her new wig and hair line. I'm excited. I wanted to take you guys on this journey with me because I've never worn a wig before, so I figured why not show my followers. So this is gonna be like a vlog style type of thing because it wasn't planned. I didn't plan on filming this until right now at 8:25 a.m. So I'm gonna be wearing a wig, taking you guys with me. So let's go.
I just tell her shawty gotta get some ice cream. Color green, wanna eat her like some veggies. Water gun, I shoot a bitch in the face. Water gun, I pull up, then I let it spray.
Where did this come from? Like, I knew my hair was growing, but like I didn't know it was growing, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Okay, I gotta go. Oh my gosh.
I am very much feeling this. And this is like 5 bundles of hair.
It's so big.
Yeah. This is it.
Oh my goodness.
To see how it sits and how it melts to your head.
Okay.
Without the whole front piece. She was like, why does my hair feel like this? So now I'm just measuring because I'm a really visual person.
So different. Oh my goodness.
Hey, I can give me a scalp right now, okay?
You is annoying. I didn't even put the thing on yet. Right, wait, come a little bit down. Right there. Yeah, scalp all the way.
Yay.
To your head. Yeah, and it's so nice.
Can I straighten this hair if I wanted to?
Mm-hmm.
Like flat
it's gonna
iron?
give you like a straight kinky look.
I like that.
I'm really into your look right now.
Oh my
And
goodness.
what's her
So we have the owner here of Tresbell. This is my friend Sabine.
Yep.
The reason that I'm wearing a wig in the first place.
Definitely the reason.
I don't know who told this girl that this is okay, but this wig, y'all. Don't come for me. Don't come for me.
My friend would never have worn a wig.
Now I'm stuck. Get ready for the wig
so
videos.
Good. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for you guys to see this finished product. She looks so good.
I'm going to be doing my makeup next, so I'm going to show you guys that.
Yep.
And look at this. Look how long. Like, this lighting in here sucks, but.
Oh, who is she? It's recording. Oh my god.
Oily or I have a combination skin. It's mostly dry here. I get oily T-zone, but I have some dry areas like down here. But
So Abby, what you doing?
get my makeup done.
By who? No. You have to say A Hand Studios.
A Hands Studio.
Anointed Hand Studios.
Anointed Hands Studio.
Period.
Is anointed.
Period.
And that's on what?
Period.
Okay.
Ooh.
I have a question. How you slay my eyebrows so fast?
That's why she looking like. She's not even done yet. She
I
didn't
know.
conceal it.
It be taking about 10 minutes on one brow. She even made me look skinny. Like my face looks slim. Your face is always slim. No. No. Oh my god. Sabine, look, I lost 5 pounds. I lost 5 pounds, look. You can see my neck. I don't got 3 chins. Come on, somebody.
We don't do no gossiping. We don't do no arguing. We don't do no social sites. We just get our
Everybody in all black, please.
Call me the baby on the pot. I'm a creative style. That's in my dinner. I send you here, make you finish. And that's the on the day.